Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Jasmine NFTs back with another video. This week I wanted to go ahead and make a video on how to send out offers on Opensea. But before I get into the video, I just wanted to quickly say I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research. I make these videos for educational purposes, but at the end of the day, always do your own research. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Guys, so the first step you want to do when getting ready to send a offer is go to Opensea. You're going to want to go ahead and go to your wallet. So here I am at my wallet. I currently have some Ethereum, but you need ETH in order to start sending out offers. So what you're going to need to do is swap ETH to ETH. Basically what you're doing is wrapping your Ethereum, which gives you the ability to start sending out offers. So here we go. Basically all you have to do is wrap your ETH. So I'm going to be wrapping around 2 ETH. It's going to ask you to sign. It's about $10 to sign, so that's fine. Once you pay that gas fee, it processes and you just wait a little bit. And then your Ethereum will be switched to ETH. And that's when you can start playing the game and start sending out offers. So let's go ahead and let this process and then we will continue. Alright, so the transaction went through, and as you can see here, I now have 2.2 ETH available, so I can go ahead and start sending out offers. So I'm going to go ahead and go to 3 landers, and I currently want to buy a pink ape. I already know what I have in mind. I want to get it for the floor price, so the floor is currently 1.8, so I'm going to send out an offer of 1.8 to any of the pink apes. So here we go. So here we are. I'm gonna go to buy now. So what I'm gonna do now is send out an offer. I'm looking at the apes of which one I would like to, have an offer. I really like this one. I saw him earlier. All right, so I found the NFT that I want to go ahead and place an offer. So it's as easy as clicking this button here, making an offer. You have to sign the contract. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a 1.8 offer on this guy here. And I'm gonna give you guys a tip here. It says offer expiration date, and whenever I throw out offers, I usually leave it for a day. If I really want the NFT, I'll do it for 3 days. And this is just so you don't have to pay gas in order to cancel it. If you ever want to, cancel that offer, you have to pay gas. But if you leave it at a short duration, then you won't have to pay gas because the offer expires after the time that you put it. What we're gonna do is go for 1 day, and I put a 1.8 offer. Let's make the offer now. Oops. So I went ahead, I'm signing the contract, and what I'm doing now is checking my offer. So you can see right away here that my offer is in, so the person who owns this NFT is able to see my offer, and I am the highest offer at this time. The second highest is 1.6. I went to 1.8. Expire in 24 hours. This person's expires in 5 hours. So right now I have the highest chance. If this person really needs the ETH, they can go ahead and accept my offer, and then I will be able to hold it for a while and flip it in the future for a higher price. Right, and another thing you guys should know is that you're able to send out multiple offers even if you only have, again, like I only have 2 ETH wrapped, so I'm able to send out multiple offers, but as soon as someone accepts one of those offers, the rest of them will expire because I don't have enough ETH in my wallet to fulfill those. So you can go ahead and send out as many offers as you'd like. Also, if no one ever accepts your offer, then that ETH just goes straight back into your wallet and you can swap it back to ETH if you'd like, or continue to send out more offers using that ETH that you still have. Guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I'm just trying to help you guys out. Also, before I end the video, quick shout out to my boy Ronson from the Smiles fam. What's up, Ronson? Thank you for your support. Thank you so much again. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.